a certain sum of money amount to rupees 1008 in 2 years and to rupees 1164 in 3.5 years by simple interest. Find the sum and the rate of interest. इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है? क्वेश्चन, what is given to you? The given to you is after 2 years, you don't know what is the principal amount, but after 2 years, the value is given to you. This is 1008. After 2 years, you need to calculate this value. बोल रहा है sum of money after 2 years 1008, which is in next 3.5 years. When this is at the end of 2 years, from 2 years to 3.5 years, my amount is move up to 1164. 1164. So this is at 2 years, and this is at 3.5 years. So what is difference? So difference is 1.5 year. In 1.5 year, the amount, use simple interest, 1164 minus 1008. So this is the simple interest in 1.5 year. You 164 minus of 1008, it means 156. So in 3 by 2 year, in 3 by 2 year, my simple interest is 156. So what is my simple interest in 1 year? What is my simple interest in 1 year? 156. 156 divided by 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 156 divided by 3 into 2. So this value is 156 into 2 divided by 3. So this value is. Now you need to calculate the simple interest in 2 years, so that you can get the principal amount. So what is my simple interest in 2 years? So 1 year simple interest value is 104. So in 2 years is how to 2. So after 2 years, my simple interest value is 208 rupees. It means that just before this is 208. So if I subtract this value 1008 minus 208, you will get your principal amount. So what is my principal amount? X. So how you can get? This is my principal amount minus of simple interest 208. So you will get, this is 800. So 800 rupees is your principal amount. Now you need, this is the one question solved. Second question is find out the rate. Time is 2 years. Principal is given to you, time is given to you, simple interest is also given to you, that is 208. You need to find out R. So what is my simple interest formula? My simple interest formula is PRT divided by 100. What is your R value? From R value is simple interest into 100 cross multiply divided by R into T. Simple interest is 208. 100 divided by, you need to calculate, sorry, this is not, this is PT. This is PT. So P is what? 800. What is time? 2 years. So this one 2104. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 6. So 213. So my R 13% per annum. This you need to calculate, right? So this is one kind of question. I repeat again. क्या है इसमें दे के रखा है, बोल रहा है 2 साल बाद किसी प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट का जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है वो 108 है, which is after 3.5 year become 1164. So first I calculate what is my simple interest between these two, between these period. So in 1.5 year, the difference of 1.5 and 2 years, so 1.5 year, what will be my simple interest value? 1164 minus 1008. So in 1.5 year, my simple interest value is 156. So I need to calculate 2 year value. So it's simple mathematics equation. If 3.5 year value is 156, what is 1 year value is this, divided by this value. What is 2 year value is this, multiplied by 2. So you will get 208 is 2 years simple interest value. So just before this, in 2 years back, what is the principal value? 1008 minus 208. So you will get 800 your principal amount. This is your first question solved.